To get the perfect summer glow, make sure to always nourish your skin first. To nourish your skin, use the Makeup Forever Step 1 Nourishing Primer. This primer helps equalize your skin so you shine more all day and all night. It's also filled with antioxidants and vitamin E, giving your skin some much needed TLC. For a bronze glow, layer the Sunlight Liquid Highlighter from Dolce & Gabbana, which acts as a primer and a glow enhancer. Use a buffer brush for a wide and even application. You will look instantly darker without the sun. After you prime, enhance your complexion with the Skin Illusion Foundation from CLARINS. It's super easy to apply and spreads really smoothly. Additionally, add the Makeup Forever Press Powder to set the makeup and avoid it from looking too oily or too cakey. Using the CLARINS bronzer, mix the 3 shades together to warm up your skin. Lightly brush on the cheekbones, your temples, and the eyelids, and of course your jawline. For an extra pop of color and to enhance the hollow of your cheeks, we will use the HOOLA from Benefit. Keep it at the hollow to create depth and shadow, similar to how the light will hit you. You can also use the HOOLA to counter the crease of your eyes and to add shadow on the corner of your eye area. Using Makeup Forever's Glitter Eyeshadow, apply on the center of the eyelids and to the corner of the eyes. Now onto the lashes. We are such fans of CLARINS mascara because it's super for volume and it gives you the false eyelash look. Remember to wiggle the brush. Frame your face with your eyebrows. You can't go wrong with Benefit's Precisely My Brow Pencil. Fill in all your gaps by lightly flicking your pencil to recreate the hairline. Don't go overboard, just keep it natural. Brush the hairs, once done, in an upward direction with the GIMME Brow Mascara. Highlight the cheekbones, tip of the nose, chin, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bows using the Dolce & Gabbana Sunlight Highlighting Liquid. Shape your lips using the Makeup Forever Artist Pencil. Create a contour around the lips and color it in. Follow it with some gloss for a little bit of shine. Fragrance yourself differently this summer and use the Carolina Herrera's Good Girl Hair Mist and keep that long-lasting smell all over your hair. Follow it up using the Carolina Herrera's Good Girl all around your neck to ensure that you smell amazing this summer. Subscribe to our channel and make sure to leave a comment below and let us know what you thought of this video.